So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine, obviously, as you can tell by the title. So this is the makeup that I do basically every day for work. Basically do every day for work, or if I'm just going out real quick to run errands on the weekends or something. But like for work, this is like my everyday makeup routine. So I thought I would share with you guys today. So let's go ahead and get started. My hair back. If you can see my lace, no you can't. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. We all have bad lace days and it's okay. I'm not having a bad lace day, but just in case. Sometimes you don't know. So to do my brows, this is my brow combination pretty much always. Actually, I was going through a little stint with the e.l.f. brow pomade, but right now I'm in love with the NYX micro brow pencil and the NYX Bear With Me brow setter brow gel. So I just use these to do my brows. I'm just gonna do that real quick. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. Wow, my lights are too bright. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. It's a little intense in here. Making it warmer. Okay, sorry, that was really intense and I didn't even notice I looked up. I'm gonna clean up under my eyes a little bit, under my eyebrows a little bit, with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut because I desperately need to get my brows waxed. But for some reason, I only get them done like once a year. I don't know. Don't ask me. So typically I jump back and forth between wearing eyeshadow or not wearing eyeshadow, wearing eyeliner, not wearing eyeliner, because I'm lazy. On my laziest days, I wear brows and lashes and that's it. But to be honest, I'm not in love with that look. That's just for something for me to put on because I'm not in love with going bareface either. But I'm not gonna do that today clearly because that's not an interesting video to film. I don't need to see me just do that. But lashes and liner, not lashes, like eyeshadow and liner, I love the look of them. I just hate taking them off at the end of the night. I think for today, but sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself, but I'm not making sense. Typically though, like just straight, like my everyday routine would be going into probably the Jackie Aina palette or just any palette because all you need is like a shade like Credit or Edges, some kind of brown shade for your complexion, two varying brown shades. And I usually take Credit and I put that all over my lid. No base either. We're going for quickness here. So after you've applied the dark brown shade, then I'm just gonna take a crease brush and take a shade like Ginger, which is just a lighter, I'm gonna take the shade Ginger, which is just like a lighter brown shade. I'm gonna use that to blend out the Credit shade a little bit. Just so it's not just a harsh brown shade on your lid. I remember when a shimmery brown eyeshadow used to be my everyday makeup. I mean, obviously not that alone, but like that's the eyeshadow I used to put on. Now I'm wearing a light smoky eye in the middle of the day. So sometimes I put on eyeliner, sometimes I don't. Today I don't feel like putting on eyeliner because I don't feel like I'm gonna be in the mood to take it off when I get home. So next are lashes. These are cut weird. That's why I don't want them. That's what was wrong with them yesterday. These lashes are from AliExpress. typically, if I have a lash, it's from AliExpress. I think I only own one lash. Actually, I own a couple lashes that are from the beauty spot, and one's from like an online boutique. While I'm happy I've supported that person, I'm not paying $10 for lashes again. No offense to that person. Now I feel like I have to put on liner. I'm trying to avoid that. I'm not putting on liner. So I'm just gonna put these lashes on, and I'm gonna use my Kiss lash glue, which I'm damn near almost out of. And I've told myself I was gonna go to Ulta like every day this week afterwards. I did not do that, so that's done. So typically, I don't like to wear a lot of face makeup. Before the pandemic, I definitely would have, but sometimes I wear concealer and powder, sometimes I wear foundation. Mostly it's like concealer and powder, and sometimes it's nothing at all. But for the sake of this video, I would show you what I would wear if I was to put on a full face of makeup. So typically, I would have reached for the Born to Glow Naturally Radiant foundation because it's really lightweight and pretty good coverage, and then of course the Born to Glow Radiant concealer because I love this. If y'all watch my videos, I love this concealer. Now if I'm wearing foundation and concealer, I would wear these together. I also wear this alone with just some powder. But also something I've been doing is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Just a little bit of this under the eyes, the high spots, with some powder. Some other foundations that I really like and would recommend, because if I'm wearing foundation to work, I want it to be lightweight but still good coverage, of course, is the Eavesdrop Skin Tint. Do I need to say any more? And then the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. This is like full coverage, but it doesn't feel super heavy in the skin, which is why I'm recommending it. So if you need more coverage, this would be really good. But for today, I'm just gonna go for the NYX Born to Glow foundation and concealer. We're gonna set down with a little bit of powder because we're really radiant, which is beautiful, but it's also like asking for all the makeup to transfer to your mask as soon as you put it on. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty powders. As always, we're gonna use honey to set a little bit under the eye, and I'm gonna dust some nutmeg across the rest of my face. My last video I said if it's not broke, don't fix it, but I'm actually in the market for a new bronzer. But for today, I'm gonna go back in with Old Faithful ABH bronzer in Mahogany, just to add some warmth back into my face. Last thing, and this will also help make your makeup mask proof because that is important, we're gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray and spray this. Alright, that is it for my everyday makeup routine. Typically on an everyday basis, I'm just gonna put chapstick on. I barely like lip products as it is, so I'm definitely not wearing any lip gloss. I'm just gonna wear chapstick. So yeah, this is it for my everyday makeup. I'm actually getting ready to go to work right now. Like I'm about to go get dressed right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And until next time, spread love, be kind. Bye guys.